So how to add 3.5 mm headphone on your Samsung Galaxy A15 series. In this case, no 3.5 mm jack port available here. To use it, you have to use this kind of converter. Just insert it, and you have to insert your other part on this converter. I will give the video link description in below to how to purchase this kind of converter. Now if I open anything, it's play with headphone. So if you disconnect it, then you can see it's play in my phone now. So that's it. This is how you can easily connect your 3.5 mm jack on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, sorry, 16. Have a good day.